Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's video, I'm doing a review on a product which I've been using a different version of it for a very long time, and I'm really happy to be able to bring this video to you today so you can see what I'm on about as well. And that is of course the shoe stacks. This is the LED shoe display box. I've got a lot of the non-LED displays, but I'm really excited to see how this looks with my sneaker display. So stay tuned, I'm going to do a full unboxing of this and give you my honest opinion and yeah, tell you all about the product and where you can pick some up from. So with that being said, let's jump straight into this video. Oh, this is going to be a bit different. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so hello again. This is a bit different than my normal setup when I'm doing my reviews. Due to the size of this box, there's no way I'm fitting it on the table to do the actual review like I want to do, show you how to build it and the whole process there. So I'm taking it down to the floor and hopefully you can still hear me because I haven't got a mic yet. But here we have the shoe stacks shoe box that's sound activated LED. Quite a mouthful. Now I've used shoe stacks for quite a while now. I used to have a big display with all my shoes laid out in my spare bedroom, but me and my fiance are expecting a little boy, so that display's been taken down. I'll show a picture of what it used to look like, and towards the end of this video, once I built these up, I'll show you what they look like in my make do display that I've got for the time being. But yeah, so this retails for £80 on Shoe Stack's website, and you can get them in the clear or you can get them in black. Now I appreciate £80 is a little expensive around this time of the year, with sort of like festive season and everything else, but Shoe Stacks do have other alternatives as well that aren't LED. Now I've had these side drop boxes here and also the front drop boxes here for a long time, and I believe for sort of like two it's £30, so like 2 of the side drop or 2 of the front drop, and it has different deals according to how many you buy. I think once you hit £80 you get free shipping as well, which is quite nice. But yeah, I'm not sponsored by Shoe Stacks. I am affiliated with them, I will say that, and I do have an affiliate link which I'll leave down below if you want to look at these for yourself. This time of the year, like I say, they're a lovely gift, and for any like sneaker enthusiast that likes to display their shoes like myself, it's ideal for that. But anyway, enough rambling, let's get into the box. Now on the back it has instructions on how to build these. I'd like to think I would know how to do this by now, because if I end up building up 40 of them odd when I moved in, so I like to think I'll be able to do it, but I don't know if it's a bit different with the LED. It's the first time I'm opening this. I haven't even seen what's inside the box. As far as I'm aware, these are clear to go with the rest of my collection, and they are the the side drop, should I say, like this. So let's get into the box. I'm really excited to film this, and I've been waiting a while to do it because I got these at Creps City, and I really wanted to film it there and then, but with the time of the year, I've been picking up lots of overtime to pay for Christmas presents and everything else. I just haven't had the time. So let's get these out, he says. Ooh. So very nicely packaged, I have to say. First impressions, lots of protection to make sure nothing gets damaged. Really like that, that's really cool actually. So a little bit of Shoe Stacks information there, other products they sell. Like I say, I'll leave the links down below for all that information so you can have a look yourself. That looks like it's the plug to plug these in. Gosh, like I said, they're LED, which is very exciting. Like I say, I haven't had a pair of LED ones. And the way how Shoe Stacks also label everything up makes it so much easier for actually building stuff. You can see the numbers on here. So that's one box, and then yeah, there's a second box in there. So what I'll do is I'll build one at a time to prevent myself from getting mixed up with parts. Now I want to try and film this without any edits because I want to sort of show you how easy they are to build. Now, what should I say, there's the instructions on the box in itself, so feel free to look at them as well. But I'm seeing if my muscle memory can remember how I put these together when I was doing mine when I first moved in. So So you can see now why I'm recording it on the floor rather than on the table, because there's a lot to lay out. Okay, so that looks like a daisy chain with a plug there. That's cool. And we've got all the different boxes there. So let's have a little gander. Pick that bit up as well. Yeah, I hope you like this sort of video as well. Like, I want to try and do some more reviews on different products. Obviously sneaker related if I can, just due to the fact that, you know, that's my interest. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you think. If you think it was a good watch and you'd like to see more of it, then yeah, just let me know, because I am more than happy to do more videos like this. Now, God, these do look these look a bit different to the original ones, and sort of like difficulty. I might have to resort to instruction manuals. Nothing wrong with that. That's what they're there for. So let's have a little look. Let's double check. So 1 goes to 4, like so. Ah, to be fair, yeah, that makes sense. It's not as complicated as I'm making it out to be. And that one goes into 3. Well, that one goes to 1. Oh, they're both 1s. Got you. Okay. So then it's going to there, and then you put a base on normally. Yeah, that's right. So base is that one. Yeah, my memory's remembering this. It's just that little refresher. That's what it needed. Okay. So then bits clip into there. That's it. So after you've clipped ones together, you then clip that one in. Look, it's already forming already. Then you put the lid on, like so. All them clicks to make sure it's all in place. Then you put the front on. God, guys, come on. I'm not a builder by any means. Like, I don't do a lot of building at all. But that is pretty simple. If I do say so. Clips all in nicely. That's like that. And the lid's on there. Yeah, good stuff. Cool. I mean, it looks wicked as well. So they're not as clear as these ones. They don't look as they. I mean, they should all stack together still. Or maybe not. Okay, maybe these ones don't stack in. Alright, to be fair, like I say, this is all new for me. The subject's not that way either. No. Okay, so the LEDs don't stack in with the normal ones. Well, I said normal ones, the non-LED version, but that's okay. That's not a problem. They can be its own stack if need be. But yeah, I'm really happy with how that looks. And I'll build up the other one, and then I'll figure out how to daisy chain them. And then we've got them all together. Actually, I'll put that over there. Cool. Let's see if I can do it quicker this time. I might actually if I time lapse this one, because I've already built the other one, it's probably makes a bit more sense, doesn't it? And then you're not sitting there watching me do the same thing again, but we shall see what I decide to do in the editing. I don't want to make the video too long, obviously, because I want to keep your guys' attention. And I'm always cautious of making my videos too long and you guys tuning out. So if you do make it to the end, I really appreciate you, and thank you for taking the time to watch it, because I do put a lot of effort into these videos. I don't know if it looks like it or not, but I do try. And yeah, it'd be lovely to see you guys let me know if you actually stay tuned for the whole thing as well. Yeah, like I say, these products are really, really good, and I'm not just saying that. Like, I don't lie on this channel. You know, I tell people honestly what I think of things and the differences between products and everything else. And you know, even when I'm doing my reviews, you know, yes, a lot of my shoes, well, I say a lot of my shoes, all my shoes are mine, and you know, I like to do them. I like to do the reviews on shoes I own, so I'm going to be a bit biased in respect of them because I own them. Now, at the same time, I would like to almost start reviewing other shoes as well I don't own as such. Now, I was talking about this a while ago because I don't like the whole idea of reselling stuff. If I'm buying something, I'm buying it because I want to keep it. That tends to be my logic on things. So to sort of buy stuff to review to then sell is a bit sort of against my nature, but I would consider it because I appreciate, there's some shoes that I might not particularly like that you guys might like to see. So yeah, let me know again what you think about that. I will branch out if I need to, but I don't know if you guys are enjoying seeing, you know, my content with my sneakers, or if you'd like to see like some more of the newer releases and such. Most of my channel's always been old shoes, but yeah, with me rambling like that, easy together it looks like. Nice and simple. Let me find somewhere to plug these in. I don't know how they daisy chain. How do you daisy chain them, would it say? Saying it links. They link. Oh, okay. So that actually goes. Oh, okay. So these pull down. But how do you link this? Is it meant to be longer than that? Okay. Might have to do a little bit of figuring out on this bit, because they don't go together like that. How's that plug go? Okay. Do you know what? Let me cut here just whilst I figure out how to link them together, and then I'll bring it back when I've figured it out. But yeah, I'll be honest with you, I'll let you know how long it takes me to figure it out as well, because of this could be a little bit of time. Okay, long story short, I'm just a bit of an idiot, which, you know, shock. As you can see, they just turned on automatically with my voice, which is what they're meant to do. And as you can also see, they are actually all stacked together. Simple reason, I put them together absolutely fine. It was these ones that are upside down. So all I needed to do was take the face off, spin it around, put it back on. That's all I had to do, because it was just the way how the tiers were laid out. But yeah, as you can see, really, really nice. You've got two different colours. So you've got the ice white or the yellow, which I quite like. It's like a welcoming glow. This is currently set up to automatic with the voice, as you saw when I came in. You can also change it to just have it on steadily all the time, like so. Oh, I'll change the colour as well. So yeah, you can see that. And then you can just turn them off as well. Simple as that. Just don't be proud, just read the instructions. That's what I've learned from that. But yeah, I'll get some shots of it with it all glowing with some shoes in it, and then I'll show you what I lay it out like with my display in my bedroom. So yeah, I'll see you there. Okay, right, so it took a while, but I've implemented them onto the wall now. As you can sort of see, the dismantled remains of my display. I've sort of just moved them along into the room now. But yeah, anyway, what we came here to see. Now if I turn the lights off, Alexa, turn off the lights. Right, okay, so it's really dark. Now, if I do that, these do look absolutely wicked in displays. So, draw the curves a little bit so you can see a bit more daylight. But yeah, they look spot on. Really happy with them. But yeah, so that's what it looks like in their tower. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video today on this, and it's given you some food for thought for maybe some presents for the sneakerhead that you know in your family, if that's yourself or a friend or whoever. These are a wicked present, and yeah, I'm sure they'll go down well. If you get the LED or the non-LED, makes no difference. They look great regardless. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.